If you've ever tried to view content on X and hit an age restriction or sensitive content warning, this video will show you exactly how to turn it off on desktop in just a few steps. I'll walk you through the settings, explain what each option does, and make sure you know how to adjust the right privacy controls so you can view the content you want. If this guide helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the X website on your desktop browser and log into your account. Once you're signed in, look at the left-hand menu and click More. This will open up the full menu with additional account options. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of the account controls, including privacy, safety, and content preferences. Next, click Privacy and Safety. Inside this section, you'll find the options that control what kind of content is shown to you and how your account behaves on the platform. Now click Content you see. This is the key menu for managing sensitive media and age-related visibility settings. Here, you should turn on Display Media that may contain sensitive content. Enabling this option tells X that you want to see content that may be flagged as sensitive, which is often part of the reason age-restricted or hidden posts do not appear normally. After that, go back and click Search Settings. This section affects what appears in your search results and can also limit certain content from being shown. In search settings, turn off Hide Sensitive Content. By switching this off, you're allowing X to show sensitive posts in search results instead of filtering them out automatically. Once both of those settings are adjusted, your content preferences should be updated. In many cases, this will remove the restriction that was hiding posts behind warning labels or age gates on X. If you still don't see the content right away, refresh the page, log out and back in, or check that the settings actually save properly. Also keep in mind that some content may still be restricted based on your region, account age, or the original poster's settings, so not every post will become visible if there are extra limitations in place. But for most users, these steps are the correct way to turn off sensitive content restrictions on X using desktop. So just to recap, log into X, open More, go to Settings and Privacy, then Privacy and Safety, then Intent you see, turn on Display Media that may contain sensitive content, and finally open Search Settings and turn off Hide Sensitive Content. That's the full process. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.